Assalamu alaikum, dear listeners. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. All of you know that the whole world is badly affected by COVID-19 coronavirus, and that's why all of our educational institutes are remain shut down, and that's why for the benefit of you, all of you, we are trying to give something new with virtual classes. And this time today I will conduct a class of class 6 for the students of class 6, and very important passage. Before starting that, officially I want to welcome all of the students. Students, welcome everybody. It's Mumin Rana from Arashida Kamil Madrasa, and I am assistant teacher of English, Ashuganj, Brahmanbaria. And this class is for the students of 6. Now the listeners, watch and gaze about these pictures on the screen. Can you guess about the picture? Just 2 minutes and try to find out the answer of the picture. Who is the picture about? Do you know? The picture is about one of the greatest mystic bird of our country, and he is Hasan Raja. He is famous for various kinds of activities, such as he is a famous mystic bird of our country. He wrote many poems and songs which are very eminent and popular not only in our country but also the subcontinent and also in the whole world. Then our today's lesson is Hasan Raja, the mystic bird of Bangladesh. And the learning outcomes: after studying this lesson, you will be able to read and understand texts, ask and answer questions, read aloud with proper pronunciation and intonation, vocabulary learning, writing paragraph. Look at these pictures. Do you know who they are? What is the first picture about? Okay, let us discuss about the first picture. The first picture is about Lalan Shah, one of the great mystic bird of our country. He is famous for various kinds of popular folk songs in our country, especially in rural areas. And the second one is Hasan Raja. We have told earlier that he is one of the greatest mystic birds not only in our country but also for our whole world. And the third one is another mystic bird, Shah Abdul Karim. He also a very, very famous singer, folk singer. Many of his songs are famous not only in our country but also in the West Bengal of India. Among these three pictures, there is a similarity. Can you tell what is the similarity among these persons? Okay, I clarify to all of you that Lalan Shah, Hasan Raja, Shah Abdul Karim, three people are well known and famous for their writings, poems, and songs. All of these men are mystic birds of our country, famous mystic birds of our country. They are famous not only in our country but also in the whole world. Now you go to Unit 21, Section A and read the passage carefully. And for this reading, you have 10 minutes. Within these 10 minutes, read the text silently, thoroughly, so that you can realize the theme of the passage. And after reading this, you have to ask and you have to answer some questions as well as vocabulary as well as pronunciation, etc. So your time starts now. Students, have you completed your reading? Completed? Okay. Then from the passage, what do you know about Hasan Raja? From the passage, we can learn many things about Hasan Raja, such as his date of birth, lifestyle, activities, etc. Why he is famous for, etc. Okay, from the text we can know that Hasan Raja was born in a wealthy landlord's family and his birthplace is in Sylhet, and he was born in 1854. And if we see the lifestyle of Hasan Raja, we can see that a difference between previous and later life of Hasan Raja. In his youth, Hasan Raja led a life of luxury. He had everything: money, wealth, property, etc. He used to lead a life of luxury in his youth. But soon he realized that all these are meaningless, and according to him, money is meaningless for life. And then he started to think deeply about the Creator, life, mankind, death. And we find the spiritual development of Hasan Raja from his early life to later life. And also in the screen, from the picture, we can find the reality that in his youth, Hasan Raja led a life of luxury. In fact, he had everything: money, comfort, pleasure, everything. But when he realized that everything is meaningless, then he started to think deeply about Creator, mankind, God. And we told about the spiritual development of Hasan Raja. When he realized that these money, comfort, pleasure, everything is meaningless, then he gave away all of his properties and started to think deeply about the Creator, about life, death, and mankind. So here in this section, we can find the spiritual development of Hasan Raja. So it's time for individual work for all of you students. Here is 4 questions for all of you, and individually you have to answer these questions, and for this your time is 10 minutes. Have you completed, students? Okay, now just check out your answers with me. When was Hasan Raja born? We know from the text that Hasan Raja was born in 1854 in a wealthy landlord's family in Sylhet. And the number 2, where did he come from? We all know that Hasan Raja came from a wealthy landlord's family. He had everything: money, pleasure, comfort, etc. Number 3, what was his childhood life? We have just talked about the childhood life of Hasan Raja, and also from the text we can know that in his childhood he used to lead a life of luxury. That means he used a luxurious life in his childhood, because he had everything: money, comfort, pleasure, wealth, etc. And final question 4, why did Hasan Raja live the life of comfort and pleasure? Okay, you know that in his childhood Hasan Raja used to lead a life of luxury, comfort and pleasure, but soon he realized that everything is meaningless, and that's why he started deeply thinking. He started to think deeply about the Creator, God, mankind, Allah. So the answer is that when Hasan Raja realized that money, comfort, pleasure all are meaningless in this transient life, then he started to think deeply about the Creator, God, mankind, and left the life of comfort and pleasure. So I think these 4 questions are very much important for all of you, and if you understood these 4 questions, then you will be understand the whole text easily. So these 4 questions is very much important for you for realizing the text. Now it's time for loud reading. Students, close your book, listen me attentively, and then try to read with correct pronunciation. Now I will read you and you will learn, and then you have to realize the pronunciation. Okay, now it's time for group work. Open your books now, make group and read aloud with proper pronunciation and intonation. One will read and rest of the members will note down the mistakes. Now time for vocabulary. Now we will learn some vocabs. Students, you know that if we want to understand the whole text thoroughly, before that we have to learn the vocabs, and you know it very well that learning vocabs is a precondition of learning or realizing the lesson perfectly. And that's why we can say that the importance of learning vocabs is very much important for all of you. And that's why, in other words, we can say that the importance of learning vocabulary cannot be described in words. Now, the first vocab is bard. What do you mean by bard? Bard means poet who writes poems and songs. Bard means poets who writes poems and songs. And from the text we know that Hasan Raja is a mystic bard of Bangladesh, because we know that he wrote many poems and songs. The another word is luxury. From the text earlier we know that Hasan Raja had everything: money, comfort, pleasure, and that's why he led a life of luxury. That means luxury means elegant, great, huge. Hasan Raja led a life of luxury in his youth. The another vocabulary is volume. Volume means a book forming part of a work of series. a volume called Hasan Raja Samagro published, which contained 500 poems and songs. That means Hasan Raja wrote a legendary book named Hasan Raja Samagro, which contained 500 poems and songs. Another one is crazy. Crazy means excited, exciting. You know, Hasan Raja wrote many poems and songs, many books in his many books. And in his songs, Hasan Raja called himself Crazy Hasan Raja or Pagla Hasan Raja. So, crazy means Pagla or exciting. It's time for evaluation. Make synonyms of the following words, and your time is 5 minutes. Students, have you completed? Okay, now let's check your answers with me. Comfort. Comfort means relax. Mystic. We know that Hasan Raja was a mystic bird. Mystic means spiritual. Beyond. Beyond means behind. Eminent. We know that Hasan Raja is an eminent folk singer in our country. That means famous. Pleasure. Pleasure means happy, delightful, etc. So let's check your answers with me. I hope all of you will be benefit from this evaluation synonym words. Now it's time for homework. Dear listeners, in today's class we have learned about a mystic bird of Bangladesh, that is Hasan Raja, and your homework is another mystic bird of Bangladesh, Shah Abdul Karim. You have to write a short paragraph about another mystic bird of Bangladesh, Shah Abdul Karim. And for your kind information, I want to give you some clue about Shah Abdul Karim. For your kind information, I want to say something about Shah Abdul Karim, that there is a close relationship about the activities between Hasan Raja and Shah Abdul Karim. Both are folk singers and spiritual men. Both are mystic birds of our country. Both wrote folk songs and poems which are very popular not only in our country but also in the whole world. So I think by this clues you will be benefited and will be able to write down a short paragraph on Shah Abdul Karim. And that's time. Thanks everybody. May Allah bless you all. Allah Hafiz.